Hey, remember our '69 Chevelle? It's back. One of our favorite restorations has returned. So just how long is a complete restoration supposed to last? Let's take a look. This '69 Chevelle came to us over 10 years ago, and the customer wanted it to look like a stock SS 396 car, but we took a few liberties. One of my favorites is the color. It looks black, but it's called Carbon Flash Metallic, and it's a General Motors factory color that you could get on cars and trucks that has a whole bunch of different colored pigments in it, but the overall cast is black. Get it out in the sun and you start to see the little green and purple and gray and silver pigment inside that black. So it's a stunning car. Now, even though the car looks really, really nice, it doesn't mean that it was not without any issue over that 10-year period. In fact, it came back to our shop for this visit because a little bubble had appeared in the bottom of the quarter panel. Fortunately, our team is very capable in making those kind of repairs so that you can't tell it was ever done. You can't see the repair at all. The interior looks fairly stock, but if you get close, you'll notice that we changed a bunch of things to add better drivability and comfort without losing the DNA of the SS design. Originally, this car came with bucket seats that were upholstered in vinyl. And while we love the look of the pattern, we wanted to jazz it up a little bit, so we restitched those with a leather seat cover. And then we actually added a more supportive foam bolster in the seat so that they provide a little more support when going around turns. We also added some creature comforts in the form of a vintage air conditioning system and some upgraded audio. And the dashboard looks real crisp. We restored all the gauges and made sure they not only work right, but look as they did when they were brand new. So overall, the whole look of the interior is fresh and crisp and clean, just like day one. You can't have an SS 396 without a big block under the hood. Now, those who know the '69 Chevelle SS 396 engine know it has a certain look, and we wanted to keep the look even though it's hiding a few tricks underneath. So at first glance, you see the chrome valve covers. Those are kind of signature SS 396 parts. It's got an aluminum intake, just like the original, the chrome air cleaner, single 4-barrel carburetor, and the orange block and heads. But this is no longer a 396. This is actually a 454 block that's been overboard and compression changed, so it's about 460 cubic inches, kind of built to like 70 LS6 454 specifications, but with the mods, we're looking probably around 450 horsepower, somewhere around there. But it still keeps that V-drive belt system and an overall theme that still looks like an original 396. This car was very well received at the Muscle Car and Corvette Nationals in Chicago. I believe it scored 997 out of 1,000 possible points. And Hemmings Muscle Machines magazine did a very nice feature on the car as well. Today, the owner is still driving the car. He takes it to shows. It lives in a climate-controlled garage, and he takes very good care of it. But no doubt, every restorer talks about using quality materials and not taking shortcuts and making sure that everything is done properly, and this is the reason why. I mean, this car was done 10 years ago, and it still looks as fresh as it did the day it rolled out of our shop. We love stock and modified restorations here at V8 Speed Resto, and if you have a car like this that you either want returned to the road or brought to a whole new level, we invite you to reach out to us on our website at v8speedshop.com. We love hearing the stories of the cars and putting plans together to take them to a whole new level. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.